My name is Jawad. I'm currently based in Dubai. To this workshop, I'll quickly introduce you on why this program and who is it for and some of the global trends, and then we'll quickly lead on to the details of the project of the program that will be initiated. Okay, I would like to welcome Meenakshi, our trainer, for the certification program. Meenakshi.
Yes, hi. Thank you so much, Javed. Hello, everyone. I'm sharing the screen. Again, welcome you all to this course, Agile Project Management. So, of course, like most of you heard about project management. So nowadays, it's been a trend to learn about the Agile Project Management and that to focus on these three roles: product owner, BA, and Scrum Master. The very important thing here, you will be learning all these three roles and responsibilities in a single crash course. So, how you get the project in the industry. The same way, I will make you to work with the real time project from the scratch, like how he has to communicate with the client, how he will gather the requirements, bringing a strategy, implementing the innovative application in the market, trying to help the business as well as trying to help the internal departments throughout project team. We should know where we are, what are the challenges that the people face, and what is their expectation in the future. So we analyze end to end with the help of tools and techniques. So the only thing, to become a Scrum Master, you should hold certification as like Professional Scrum Master PSM or CSM. That's the only blocker. You have to hold PSM or CSM. There are so many project management tools are available. Okay, so learning any one tools will really make you to exposure with the tools that you get in the markets. Industries are looking for a good skilled person who can able to handle the projects, who can able to handle the people, and to drive the project throughout. Learning this it's quite easy, but how to implement in practical, that is one important thing. So in my training, you will be getting that.
Then actually one more question over here. In that in waterfall also we are managing the things in that phase wise implementation. The phase wise implementation also, once we complete a phase, we will be clearly rectifying all the concerns and all things, and we are getting the confirmation from the customer. So that is also a feasible method. So is there any major highlight in the agile method what you are preparing over here in this or while considering that?
Yes, so in this agile, like we are flexible to innovate certain new ideas. We have certain flexibilities to extend the timelines. We have flexibility to extend the budget. But that is the waterfall. So waterfall is everything is upfront planning. The budget is fixed. The timelines is fixed.